wondered why your guitar doesn't sound good when you're starting out? It could be because you're applying too much pressure and accidentally bending the strings like this. When you bend a string, you're actually increasing the tension on it. This change in tension causes the string to stretch slightly, leading to a change in pitch. Try putting your tuner on and checking to see how much the note is actually going out of tune when you play. So here's my tuner on the screen. I've also got a clip-on guy here so I can check. So here's my G note, which should be in tune. But if I apply a bit more pressure and bend the string down, it goes very sharp, and that doesn't sound very nice to our ears. It sounds a little bit like, ooh. How much pressure do I need to apply to get the right note? And then you can also, without bending the string, you can actually press too hard, and that also makes the note go sharp. You can see how I make the note almost go to the next note just by playing harder. Make sure to check how much pressure is actually needed to play a note. We want to find the minimum effective pressure, or MEP, to make sure our notes are clean and clear and our hand can smoothly move to the next note or chord. Remember, while bending strings can add great expression to our playing, it's important to do it carefully and keep your guitar in tune so it sounds nice to our listeners. Hope that helps.